So guys, Bitcoin's pumping, Ethereum's pumping, altcoins are pumping. If you jumped into the altcoins, I told you guys are up significantly. But right now, I want to talk about exactly how I plan to take profits in this 2024-2025 crypto bull cycle. I know right now, everyone's getting super euphoric. We're seeing crazy, price action with multiple altcoins, mainly in the AI and meme sector, which my portfolio is pumping up like freaking crazy, which is just really awesome. I hope you guys are on board as well. But right now, I pretty much want to give my perspective on, taking profits in this 2024-2025 crypto bull cycle. I know everyone gets, super hyped, starts taking screenshots of their portfolios, the certain coins that they're in, the X's that are taking place. But, depending on whenever we start to see the peak for Bitcoin, which, is going to be sometime in the middle of 2025, altcoins are going to follow that at some point. And we do see different rotations for different sectors, AI, meme sectors, GameFi, all these different, all these different sectors in the crypto space. And on top of that, we're going to see all different types of valuations, and just depending on your sentiment in the markets really determines when you're going to jump in and out of the markets. But if you're new to my channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey, keeping you guys updated on the markets overall, showing you guys my wins, my losses, and how you guys can be profitable in this 2024-2025 crypto bull cycle. Right now, guys, is really crazy. Been making some crazy gains throughout this whole year. Like how I said, if you're new to the channel, go and check out the rest of everything else. But we've been making some crazy gains, and right now everyone's wondering when should they start to take profits, because everyone wants to be profitable, but everyone also doesn't want to miss out on those crazy X's. And this is whenever you have to really decide the kind of trader that you are. Okay, so I'll give you an example. We have day traders, which people that are just consistently trying to find that next thing, pop off real quick and sell as fast as possible. We call these people Jeets. And then we also have swing traders, people that, make plays and trades, usually stay in between, that 3 to week to potentially even 2 week cycle at the longest. But that's how swing traders work. Maybe sometimes, we might have different increments on the upside or downside as well. And then we have hodlers, people that are just straight up hodling their bags. They buy and they do not sell until we reach, the peak in the market. And these people are a little bit crazy. So I'll give you an example. Whenever you buy coins and you just hodl, if you bought at the very beginning of the year, you've been seeing the ups and downs and the ups and downs. And honestly, if you bought at the beginning of the year, you are down right now. But if you're hodling, more than likely, whenever we start to see, much more rips and price action and global liquidity for the markets, by the time we're in Q1 of 2025, you're going to be in profit more than likely. And if not in profit, you're going to be in extreme profit once everything starts to take off, once retail starts to join in, once we see those FTX distributions, a lot of different things, guys. But if you don't have that hodling mindset, you can't make the most gains, because you are going to be trying to buy and sell the dips and pumps as we're reaching, the all-time high. And this can be, a gift and a curse, a dual-sided sword. I think sometimes, it pays to get out of the markets, de-risk and then buy back in. But every time everyone tries to time the markets, everyone gets shreked. So it's better to not try to time the markets. It's better to focus on specific projects that are actually building and producing good stuff, and actually focusing on the sectors that are pumping right now, and then just hodling, staying in the markets until retail starts to join in, until we still start seeing more global liquidity. Once we see those FTX distributions, once we see the Fed cuts start to have an effect on, interest rates and everything else. It's all these different moving events, but it's having, the courage and the still balls to hold during all the crashes. People don't usually have that mindset. Even me, whenever I first started, I just had a hodling mindset. But as we started to get into the peaks and, downside in the markets, I started to slowly de-risk, as well as, hodl in specific projects that I really care about. But right now, guys, I'm in the hodling mindset. I'm not trying to swing trade or day trade. I'm not trying to do any of that. I'm investing in specific altcoins that I know are going to be doing well, mainly revolved, guys, around the meme sector and the AI sector. Right now, I'm really focused on the AI sector because we're seeing some crazy pumps for the AI sector. I'm really glad that I shifted my mindset from the meme sector to the AI sector, because how I said on this channel, rotation fluctuations happen so quickly. All the different mind share that goes into the markets, you know, people get bored. We start to see huge plays from huge wells. We start to see different narratives, and all that stuff starts to change the way people perceive these crypto sectors. And right now, you know, AI is really popping off compared to a few other sectors. And I really want you to understand exactly how this stuff moves. But in terms of whenever I'm going to be taking profit, guys, I'm honestly going to be hodling until, you know, Q1 of 2025, potentially even Q2 of 2025. Now, if I see crazy rips for a few of my coins, where, you know, the valuations of them are getting too stupid, we're seeing too much, the RSI probably is in the, you know, overbought region too much, then more than likely I'm gonna start cutting some off the top, and I'm gonna share that with you on this YouTube channel. But I think you need to adopt the hodling mindset. If you can hodl, guys, and invest in strong companies that are doing great stuff right now, building, actually changing stuff with the technology that they're bringing to the Web3 space, you're gonna be well better off than people that are trying to buy and sell every single pump and dump that they see in the market. Most of the time, 80% of the time, 90% of the time, those people get shreked because they do not know what they're doing. The other 10% does, just because they keep up with proper price action indicators in the market, so they know how to buy and sell. But whenever you're first getting started, everyone's wondering, when should I sell? When should I buy? You should be buying every dip that you can be getting right now. And honestly, a lot of coins are super down from their early valuations back in March. This is where I implore you to go do your research. Look at the coins that you're investing in. See what they did back in March whenever all our coins started to pump significantly. And if they didn't do something and they're not doing something, then I guarantee more than likely they're not going to really be doing something once everything starts to pop off. At least not as crazy as a few of these other coins. But that's my mindset right now, guys. I think, you know, everyone in the crypto markets is buying and selling just depending on the narratives. They're de-risking because they want to be able to have some dry powder to go back into the markets. And right now I have dry powder and I'm still dollar cost averaging into the market. Yesterday I bought Hash AI and it's up another 27%. And I hope you guys are taking advantage of this. I dropped an AI video talking about the AI coins I'm buying. Now, like I'm saying, everything's pumping right now. I wouldn't recommend just straight up buying right now. You need to be having proper validation before you just hop into a coin. Back when I talked about the coins, everything was super down. We were reaching a potential local bottom. But now, guys, everything is on the verge of pumping. Bitcoin just made a new all-time high yesterday. Right now, Ethereum is already above 3,000 and altcoins are ripping significantly. So right now is the time to hone in on everything and understand when you are going to be exiting in the markets. Like how I said, I'm documenting my journey in this crypto space, showing you guys my wins, my losses, keeping you guys updated on the macro events that's going on with the price action around Bitcoin and altcoins, as well as specific events that you need to focus on. But I also like to make quick, concise videos like this, 10 to 15 minutes, showing you guys specifically what I am doing straight up in the crypto markets. I think a lot of influencers, you know, they take a long time to upload, they give different perspectives, but they're pushing a specific narrative because they're invested in these coins. And I plan to just document my journey, show you guys what is possible, as well as my losses throughout this journey. I had a wallet that was liquidated. I have made some bad plays, but overall right now I'm doing significantly well, and it's because I'm shifting my mindset from the mass mindset. And this is where you need to start, you know, trying to do your own due diligence. But in terms of taking profits, guys, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be hodling unless we see some crazy price action that just doesn't make sense. We see specific indicators telling us that more than likely we're in an overbought region and we should be selling. And like how I said, I'm going to be sharing that on this channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey, showing you guys my wins, my losses, keeping you guys updated on the events that are happening in the markets, as well as macro price action around Bitcoin, altcoins, and everything else in between. Like how I said, I like to make quick, concise videos, giving you guys exactly what you need, not all this fluff and pushing my own narrative and what I think. I'm just showing you guys exactly what is popping off. I'm showing you guys what you really need to focus on, and I'm giving you my perspective on what I am doing. And every single thing that I do, I put on this YouTube channel. I don't care if I lose. I don't care if I win. Well, I do care if I win. I hope I win, but I don't care if I lose. I want to show you guys the ups and downs so you guys have a proper, transparent look at what this looks like. But overall, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm going to be dropping more content around the price action around Bitcoin, as well as altcoins that I'm really focusing on right now to make the most gains. But If you guys are new to my channel, drop me a comment, like, subscribe. I really do appreciate all the support you guys show me on this YouTube channel. Also, go follow me on X. I share more of my day-to-day, you know, thinking on X, real quick thoughts, and I really recommend you to go on there just because you'll be able to get more into my mind. But other than that, I'm trying to get monetized on X as well as this YouTube channel. So I really do appreciate all the support. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on the markets. If you guys want to see anything in specific, drop it down below. I did see the recommendations from a few of y'all. Long Care, I'm sorry if I didn't get your full name right. You want to know exactly ETH and Bitcoin all time, like the tops in the market. I'm going to be sharing that, other different perspectives, and you know, different video suggestions. Drop them down below, guys, and I will be putting them on the list, and I will make a video on it. But other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next one, hopefully, and hopefully you guys are staying committed and hodling. Peace.